I get that jump too. In first gear.
Well, I get in all gears if I let off the gas. Just wait. You get that kind of jump in?
No. I didn't notice
Alright,
it.
listen. Do you hear it starting?
That's something rubbing on something. Hitting on something. Does it feel like the clutch is slipping?
And then look at this. The clutch is all the way in, right? Oh man, when I did that last time, it was like fucking.